Come on, baby. What's wrong with you? Little bastard. That's about right for the rudder. The other one just didn't have enough rudder on low rates and a bit too much on high rates, but this is just about right on low rates, so I must measure this. Chris has just hit that light pole there with his stick. They're a pain in the arse, them light poles. In actual fact, this is Mark II stick, and I think this is one of the better ones. Mark III, I think, was getting a bit too heavy. And Posh flew okay. Get out of it, you little bastard. It's got it. Oh, it's got it. You little shit. It got it too.